Hey everybody, Leann Forst here. Hey, I thought I would continue in my video series on how to make different popular roller bottle blends. So today I'm going to show you how to make a roller bottle blend using essential oils for balance and calm. So I teach how to use essential oils in daily life. I do a lot of classes, and this is a particularly popular blend for many people because who doesn't need a little bit more calm in their life, right? So it's super easy. First, you just get the 5 milliliter roller bottles that you can get on Amazon. You can also get them on doTERRA.com. And you're gonna get lavender. So I love lavender essential oil. It's very calming. I love to put it on my pillow at night and diffuse it by my bed. It's also great for anti-aging and putting it in my skincare or my moisturizer. Putting it in a detox bath. So I also love to diffuse it when the kids come home from school and I want to calm them down from a long day. So lavender has a lot of great health properties, but it's especially the go-to essential oil for calm and sleep. Okay, so to make your roller bottle blend, you're just going to put 10 drops in your roller bottle. 5, 6, 9, 10. That's it. Okay, and then the next one that we're going to add to our blend is called Balance. And Balance is one of my absolute favorites because it smells amazing. It also has frankincense in it. So frankincense is very grounding. This is actually called the grounding blend. And it's great for just calm and de-stressing. And it's great to just put on the bottom of your feet, or when you have something to do that's making you anxious, it helps to calm your nerves and anxiety. So I'm gonna put that in my blend that I'm making for myself, and I'm gonna put 10 drops as well. It comes out a little slower. It's a little bit thicker, so you have to be a little patient. Okay, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and that's all you do. And then we're gonna top it off with some fractionated coconut oil that you can, it's basically liquefied coconut oil. And you're going to just put the spout in there and fill it up. Not all the way, I like to leave just a little bit at the top so it doesn't spill when you put the roller ball in, okay? So you can put the roller ball in, and it's really easy just to put it back on, and that's what I'm gonna do is get out my, oh, here we go. Sorry. I'm gonna get out my, this is a great little device to have because really what you do is you put this on the top and you press down, and you can't see me, but I'm gonna press down to make sure that that's on very flush. It might take a couple tries to really feel it pop on, and there you go. You have your Balance and Calm roller bottle blend, and you're gonna want to put this on the bottom of your feet at night or in the evening, on your wrists, on the back of your neck, on your brainstem, to bring about balance and calm whenever you need it. That's it for me. Have a great day.